how to convert and switch your Pinterest account to business profile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to switch your account to business on Pinterest. First thing, go to pinterest.com and log into your account, and then you need to go here to the top and you will find convert to business. Click on it, and now click upgrade right here, and here you go. Now choose your profile name, and for example how to media, and your website. If you don't have, click no and click next after you choose your country. Now what's your brand focus on? For example education, and not sure yet. Okay, now describe your business right here. Okay, I'm gonna choose blogger and click next. Now not sure, and here you go. Okay, create a pin, build your profile. Now you just switched your account to business, easy and fast, as you can see. Now my account is a business account. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you.